All right, we are back with the second lesson of the day to go over our math intervention quiz. And let's just jump right into it. So our first question asks, Tom has 9 apples and 6 fewer oranges. Does Tom have more apples or oranges? Well, let's draw it out and find out. So Tom has 9 apples. So we're going to draw 9 apples. We have apples. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it says that we have 6 fewer oranges. 6 fewer. Remember, fewer means less. So I'm going to draw 6 less oranges. If I have 9 up here, I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, leaving me with 3 left. So in my oranges, I have 1, 2, 3 oranges. So now when I look at my problem, I can see, do I have more apples or oranges? I have more apples. So the correct answer was apples. Number 2. Brad has 7 markers. He has 3 more pencils than markers. How many pencils does Brad have? Let's draw it out. So first I have my markers. And how many markers do I have? I have 7 markers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it tells me that I have 3 more pencils than markers. 3 more pencils. So I can draw my 7 markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for my pencils. And then I have to add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Then I can just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So my answer is 10. What if we wanted to be a little more sophisticated? What if we wanted to do a number sentence? Well, we would start with what we knew. We have 7 markers. So it would be 7. And then we know that we have 3 more crayons. So 3 more crayons, or I'm sorry, 3 more pencils, means that we're adding 3 pencils, and 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Either way you do it, you should get the same answer. And it's a great way to check your work, because if you do it both ways and you get a different answer, you know you made a mistake somewhere. So the answer to our second problem is 10. That concludes our math intervention lesson for the day. Please go on to iReady and do 30 minutes of lessons that are tailored specifically for you. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.